On a cold winter's afternoon, the mighty sound of gongs resounded throughout the highlands city of Pleiku. Sounds that bring a touch of the jungle were created by more than 500 gong players.
So I'm looking for this festival. So I so happy and funny and surprised.
I have traveled to many places and enjoyed different cultures. The Gong festival in Pleiku was really appealing. I will return in the future and enjoy this special festival space one more time.
Street gong performances are one of various activities held as part of the Central Cultural and Tourism Week 2022. Though small, it was attractive for domestic and foreign tourists. This will be a foundation for Pleiku to promote its heritage in association with tourism development.
We will continue to develop specific plans and programs to preserve and promote the values of the Gong cultural heritage. Programs such as street gong performances, weekend performances, a gong festival, and folk epic singing contests will attract tourists from all over the world to Zalai.
During the Central Cultural and Tourism Week 2022, 150 booths introduced typical products from the province as well as elsewhere around Vietnam. Products from ethnic minority groups in the Central Highlands and those serving the upcoming Lunar New Year or Tet holiday were also on display.